Step 1, forward roll. So starting off with the basics here, we need to learn how to do a forward roll first, because this is a shape we're going to do in the air when we do our front somersault. So we're going to put our hands on the floor and make sure we're tucking in our head as we roll over. Step 2, dive roll. So this is the same as the forward roll, but now we're going to do a run into it and a jump. And this jump is really important because we need to use that when we do our front somersault later. Step 3, dive roll progression into the pit. So into the pit, we're going to do a dive roll, exactly what we did earlier. We're going to now build this up and we're going to do a slight jump into it and try not to put our hands on the floor, but land on our back. Next time we're going to try and land on our bum, and we're going to get even higher and higher until we land on our feet. Step 4, front somersault onto the fast track. So now you've mastered it into the pit, we're now going to take it onto the fast track. It's exactly the same here, we're just practicing our landing. Step 5, the front somersault on the floor. So now this is exactly the same as the fast track, but you need to put more effort in when jumping. You're going to notice it's a bit of a harder landing as well. So what you can do is you can also do this onto a soft mat to start with. Then it's just about keep practicing.